Alright guys, now there's one thing that I brought back with me from Japan. Now this is obviously not something that I bought, but this was given to me by Aaron Simons, the GBWC Australian winner. So just first off, huge thank you to Aaron for this. I already took a peek inside. It's not just the box, I mean just this is a cool box straight away. So I mean just the box itself is awesome, weathered and all that like that. Weathered as, if you guys don't know of Aaron's page, Aaron goes by weathered as, so it just kind of makes sense. Obviously the box is weathered as, but if you open up the box, it gets even better inside. It's not just the box there. So of course there's a wonderful note here. Thanks for all the support. Zaku for ZakuAurelius, of course. So what do we got in here? Nothing but, of course, a Zaku head. So got the base in here as well, which also looks awesome. Got this nice wood base. You guys know I love the wood bases, so just got a nice wood block there. I think we'll just set that on top of that. I took a peek inside, but I haven't actually unpacked the thing yet because, as Aaron recommended, better just leave it in there for transportation. So we got the head here. Looks amazing. Love the white stripe on there and everything. Now, I don't know, I can't say for sure if Aaron really did this like intentionally in a style that he knew that I would like, that would be to my taste, but I love, you know, a good white stripe or just a colored stripe on a kit, and so that's definitely right up my alley. And then we've got the commander fin here. I'll just plug this in, which is in different color. It's in, what color is that actually? I can't really quite tell. Let me look at that close up off camera. It's in like a really super dark red towards the back half of it, but it definitely has the front part is like on a kind of like light yellow sort of gradient there. And we have the base part here as well. So that just goes on there like that. Now that is pretty awesome. This is really nicely painted, as you guys can tell. Obviously Aaron's a GBWC two-time winner there from Australia, so he's no slouch in the painting department, and this thing just looks amazing. And the weathering is on there is really cool. Painted in between the links on the hose there, which I appreciate. That's definitely a must. So I love that. And then here on the inside, we should be able to turn the mono eye if we open this up. Inside there is painted as well in a nice kind of silver color on the inside of there. So there we go, awesome. As you guys know, I've painted a couple of these, but I've actually, the ones that I've painted I've sold, so I don't have any painted ones here like on display anywhere. So this one will go in the very limited small display space that I do have, which is not in here in this room, out over in the other room. I'll definitely be putting this in there. Basically, it's my display space for kits that I have, like painted kits that I've gotten as gifts from other people. So this will fit in there perfect. Aaron, thank you so much for this, and just this is pretty awesome. So guys, if you haven't checking out Aaron's page, I'll put a link to that in the video description. He's been a guest on Gunpla Talk before, and obviously you guys saw him there a bunch in Japan. But he's an awesome guy. It was really great hanging out with him. So I really appreciate this gift. Really means a lot. So next time we meet, I'll have to paint up, you know, something different, maybe one of the Gundam heads or something like that, and take it to Aaron as a gift. So alright, so that's it for this video, guys. Just wanted to show this to you. It's something really cool that was very generously given to me, so really appreciate it, Aaron. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.